Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby and Happy New Year to you. This is my first video for 2019. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys at the end of 2018 how much I appreciate your support. You all have been a blessing to me, and watching my videos and commenting and even helping me out make different decisions about different plants and things like that, and I really appreciate it. And this video here, I just want to show you guys my planters collection. Should I say a glamorous planter collection. Of course, you all know that if you've been following me that I have all different types of planters, pots, tall ones, short ones, medium size, small ones, different colors. I have pink ones, green ones, blue ones, all different colors, white, black, different kinds of planters and pots. And I like that. But I also want to be able to show you guys that if you really want to dress up your rooms and you want to make them look a little bit more glamorous, you can buy glamorous pots, or you can take the pots that you already have, take a little spray paint, and you can buy the silver spray paint, the white spray paint, and use maybe jewelry on it, some type of glam type things you can place on them. Now, some of these pots I received for Christmas. These two here, the two white ones you've seen before, my husband gave those to me for Christmas Day, and I got those before Christmas because he knew I wanted to decorate for Christmas with them. These here I received on Christmas Day. He didn't pick these right here, I did, and he just paid for me. Okay, and they're very glamorous. Just wanted you to see them. Let me get a little closer. Aren't they pretty? All right, and he bought me two smaller ones. Those two right there. And then the two larger ones back at the back right there. And they're very pretty and glamorous. I'm going to come back and show them to you guys again another time when I decorate with them. But I just wanted to give y'all just a tour of my planters collection that I'm going to use to decorate my home. And I just want to show you guys that you all can glamorize your home with planters too. Okay? So we don't want to stop anyone from putting plants in their home because they feel that the planters are dull or can be dull. And so that's it, guys. And I also have a few that I designed myself. They just glass bowls that I turn into a pot. I place different types of jewelry on them, and they look very glamorous, and you'll see them in another video. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, my collection of planters, glamorous collection of planters, or should I say my collection of glamorous planters. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please comment and tell me what you think about using these glamorous pots to decorate your home. Now you can put plants in them. You can put all different kinds. You can place artificial one if you like, or you can place live plants. Of course, you know I'm going to do the live plants, and some I might use some artificial just to change out every now and then, but mostly I have so many house plants that I'm going to be using house plants in these plants, but that's a whole nother video. Okay guys, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.